In this video, you will learn how to manage rate and room restrictions. You can use restrictions to control availability based on demand, experience, or forecasting. For example, during a weekend when demand is high, you can apply a 2-night minimum stay restriction on all or specific rates and rooms. Let's get started. Go to Inventory and then select Manage Restrictions. I can search for existing rate restrictions, or I can create a new restriction. In this example, I click New to apply a new restriction. Select the date range for the restriction. In this example, I select Friday as the start date and Sunday as the end date. From the restriction drop-down list, I select Minimum Stay-Through. Then I click the plus icon to increase the days to 2. I can select a specific room class, room type, or I can select a specific rate category or rate code for the restriction. In this example, I select House to apply the restriction to all the rooms. I can select the category or code magnifying glass to select a specific rate to apply the restriction to, or if I do not select a specific rate category or rate code, the restriction applies to all rates. Next, click Save. Now I can see the restriction I just created, and it applies from Thursday through Sunday. I can click the list icon to display the restrictions in a list view. Or I can click the week view icon to see the calendar view of the restrictions set up for the week. Next, I click the vertical ellipse and select Changelog. I can adjust the property and the date and then click Search. Now I see the list of changes to restrictions for this property and this specific date.